Okay, so now we're going to plot our points from section 9.2, plotting points on the coordinate plane. And I'm going to move this up just so that you can see only the graph and the order pairs that I want you to plot, okay? All right, so again, I want to make sure that you know, as I zoom in, you have the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is the one that goes horizontal from left to right. The y-axis is the one that goes vertical up and down. Now we're going to plot our points. So we have the first point, point A. So point A says 2, 7. Remember what I just got through saying. 2, 7. 2 is your x value, 7 is your y value. So you're going to plot 2, 7. Now how do I do that? Well, on the screen it said, start at the origin. You're going to first move horizontal, +2. So here is your origin. Okay, I'll put a dot right there. So here's your origin. You want to move 2 spaces to the right because the x value is a +2. So we're going to move 1, 2 spaces to the right. Then our y value, from here we move our y value, which is +7. That means that I count up 7. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to stick a point. And I'm going to label my point, point A. All right, so that's how we're going to do it. So I'm done with point A. Let's move to point B. Point B is 0, 7. So that means my x value is 0, my y value is 7. So I'm going to start at the origin. And if I start at the origin, my x value is 0. So if it's 0, do you really move up? Do you move left to right? No, it's 0. So you move 0 spaces to the left or to the right. Then my y value is 7. So I'm going to move up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to stick a point right there and label it B. You always want to label your points with your capital letter. All right, I'm moving on to C. Point C says -8, +4. -8 is your x value, +4 is your y value. So when I move -8 on the x-axis, -8 goes to the left on the x-axis. So I start at the origin and I move over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to move up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my point. Label it C. Check it off. All right, now let's look at D. D is -2, -6. So my x value is -2. My y value is -6. So if I'm going to move -2 from the origin, I'm going to move 2 to the left. 1, 2. Now from my -2, this time I'm going to count down 6. When your y value is negative, you move down. So I'm going to move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put my point, label it D, check it off. Okay, the next point is E, 5 and -1. So your x value is 5. Your y value is -1. So that means, here, let me move this a little bit so you can see it. Okay. My x value is +5, so I'm going to go back +5. So +5 goes to the right. So from the origin, I move right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to move down -1. -1. Put my point, label it E, check it off. My last one is 8, 0. 8, 0. So that's my x, that's my y. First, I go 8 to the right from the origin. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stick your point, label your point. And the y value is 0. If the y value is 0, you don't move up and down, so your point is just literally on the x-axis, and that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. All right. Well, I hope that helped you learn how to plot some points, and come back next time and we're going to learn how to do the reverse. I give you the point, you give me the ordered pair. See you next time.